understand the basics of AI. In this rapidly evolving digital world, AI and ML are no longer just buzzwords. They are profound technologies that help shape our interactions with the digital universe. They are powerful tools capable of learning and evolving with their inputs. They are the drivers of automation and personalization. We make use of AI and ML in our daily lives, but it is only recently that these topics have become popular. Why? Because of a few content creation tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Microsoft Bing, etc. However, we have been making use of AI for a long time. A few uses to name are maps and navigation, facial detection and recognition, text editors or autocorrect, search and recommendation algorithms, chatbots, digital assistants, social media, e-payments, and so on. But while we enjoy these AI-enabled conveniences, do we truly understand the basics? What does intelligence mean in this context, and how does it differ between humans and machines? And what is the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence? Come, let's learn more about it today. Concept of intelligence. Intelligence might seem like a heavy word, but it's something we all use every day. It's like a tool set in our minds, helping us learn from our past, adapt to new situations, understand complicated stuff, and use logic to figure out problems. Let's think about it in simpler terms. For instance, have you ever solved a math problem? Those tasks require logical thinking and problem solving, which are parts of intelligence. But intelligence isn't just about being good at math or puzzles. In fact, it involves a lot of different abilities. Imagine a symphony conductor who can make beautiful music by coordinating a whole group of musicians, or a football player who can make lightning-fast decisions during a game. These people are showing musical and bodily kinesthetic intelligence, according to a theory by an American psychologist named Howard Gardner. He said there are actually 8 different kinds of intelligence. His list includes linguistics, that is, good with words; logical mathematical, that is, good with numbers and logic; spatial, that means good with space and visuals; musical, which means good with sounds and rhythm; bodily kinesthetic, that means good with body movement; interpersonal, which means good with understanding others; intrapersonal, meaning good with understanding oneself; and naturalistic, which means good with understanding nature, intelligence. Now, let's talk about emotions. Can you tell when your friend is sad, even if they are trying to hide it? Can you control your anger when you are upset? If you can, you are demonstrating emotional intelligence. This type of intelligence is about recognizing and handling emotions in ourselves and others. It's what helps us get along well with people, empathize with them, and manage our own emotions. Artificial intelligence, like Siri or Alexa, can seem intelligent too. They can understand what we say, answer questions, and even learn from data to make better predictions. For example, Netflix or YouTube, like platforms, use AI to suggest shows you might like based on what you have watched before. But even though AI can mimic some parts of human intelligence, it doesn't experience emotions or consciousness. which is our awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and who we are. Understanding intelligence is like unlocking a secret about how we and even our devices interact with the world. It's important for everyone, from teachers who want to help students learn to scientists building smarter AI. The more we understand about the different kinds of intelligence, the better we appreciate everyone's unique strengths and use these tools to make our world a better place. Human intelligence versus machine intelligence. Human intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, reason, and solve problems. Humans are able to do this because of their brains, which are complex organs that allow us to process information, make decisions, and interact with the world around us. Human intelligence is also shaped by our experiences, our emotions, and our values. Machine intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Machines are able to do this because they are programmed with algorithms that allow them to learn, understand, and reason in a similar way to humans. However, machine intelligence is still in its early stages of development, and machines do not yet have the same level of intelligence as humans. Some of the key differences between human intelligence and machine intelligence are speed, accuracy, adaptability, creativity, and emotions. Humans are not as fast as machines at processing information. Machines can process information millions of times faster than humans. Machines are more accurate than humans at tasks that require repetitive, rule-based processing. Humans are more accurate at tasks that require creativity, problem-solving, and judgment. Machines are not as adaptable as humans. Humans are able to learn and adapt to new situations, while machines are more limited in their ability to do so. When it comes to creativity, humans are more creative than machines. Machines can generate creative ideas, but they are not as creative as humans. Machines do not have emotions. Humans are driven by emotions, which can influence their thoughts, decisions, and actions. In the future, it is likely that human intelligence and machine intelligence will work together to solve complex problems. Machines will be able to do the tasks that they are better at, while humans will be able to do the tasks that they are better at. This collaboration will create a more powerful and productive workforce. Let's take a few examples of how human intelligence and machine intelligence are already being used together. One of the greatest examples is the self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use machine intelligence to navigate the roads and avoid obstacles. However, human intelligence is still needed to make decisions about when to take over driving. Then we have the medical diagnosis machines that can be used to analyze medical data and identify potential problems. However, human intelligence is still needed to interpret the data and make a diagnosis. A human doctor brings invaluable expertise and empathy. They communicate the diagnosis to the patient, understand their concerns, and consider the patient's overall health and personal circumstances, and help decide on the best treatment plan. AI is widely used in e-commerce to offer personalized shopping experiences. Based on your browsing history and past purchases, AI can recommend products you might like. But it's your human intelligence that makes the final decision. You consider various factors like need, quality, price, brand reputation, and your personal preference before deciding to buy or ignore the suggestion. Platforms like Facebook or Instagram use AI algorithms to curate your feed based on your past likes, comments, and shares. But it's you who decides to engage with a post, share it with friends, or ignore it based on your understanding, interests, and emotions. In each of these examples, AI provides data-driven insights or automates certain tasks, while human intelligence offers context, judgment, understanding, and emotional intelligence. The combination of both creates a powerful synergy that allows us to make more informed decisions and navigate our world more efficiently.